Welcome to Madly Kimono, where I explore the world of kimono, from learning how to wear it to creating remake pieces from used and vintage kimono and obi, and sharing little moments from my day-to-day.
Oh my god. Okay, buddy.
All right, let's try this again, huh? In this video, I'm unboxing a kimono order I recently received. I'll show you everything that came in the package, and at the end, I'll share a kimono and obi coordination using some of the pieces. First item in the box is a hadajuban, which is a lightweight, usually cotton, one-piece garment worn under a nagajuban. This pink box includes a set of accessories for wearing kimono, such as a koshi-himo belt, datejime belt, obi makura cushion, and other essential items. The nagajuban is an undergarment worn under a kimono. This is an awase nagajuban, so it's a bit thick and heavy, perfect for winter months. I really like the colors and how it feels. Next is a package of 20 used obijime. They're in really good condition. I just brushed the ends and they look brand new. I love the variety of colors, patterns, and width in the set. This is a used tsumugi silk kimono. Tsumugi is so easy to wear and feels very durable. It's mostly black with red plaid pattern, which gives it a modern and fun look. I think it would be perfect for a Valentine's Day coordination. What do you think? Here's another tsumugi silk kimono. It still has shitsuke ito, so it was either never worn or recently cleaned. This one has beautifully contrasting colors in the floral pattern, which I really like. I also love the soft sounds it makes when the fabric moves. Next is a gara no fukurobi. It has gorgeous golden patterns on both of the front and back. This beautiful obi would be perfect for any formal occasion. I think it's a great find. What kind of event would you wear this to? This tsukesage homongi is considered semi-formal. The designs are placed away from the seams, which is characteristic of this style. I really like the colors and motif on this kimono. There's a slight discoloration on the front, but it's not too noticeable. Look at this adorable Nagoya obi. I think it's so cute with the tiny heart-shaped designs over the black leaf pattern. The gold background gives it an elegant feel, while still being suitable for casual settings. There's some wear on both ends of the obi. I think it was well loved by its previous owner. This last item is my favorite. It's a stunning dark navy blue homongi. with diagonal ochre-colored patterns that look like lightning. The mitake length is perfect for me, though it's a bit wide. The fabric drapes beautifully, and I'm so happy I found this gem. I wonder who wore it before. What do you think of this one? The purple kimono was the only item with a slight mothball smell. I just aired it out in the shaded area of the house for a few days, and it was fine. Now let's take a look at the coordination I came up with using some of the pieces. I think this tsumugi kimono with a casual orange obi and a colorful round obijime looks really fun. I especially like this obijime. What do you think about this burnt orange reddish obi with the peach colored obijime? I think it pairs really well with the kimono. I'm loving this lavender obijime with that orange obi. I also like how this darker purple obijime looks with this kimono. It makes the whole look really striking. I tried a slightly darker orange obi with this kimono to see how it would look. I like it, especially paired with the lavender obijime. Now here's a cute Valentine's Day coordination. The black and red kimono with the heart-patterned gold obi. The obijime even matches the hearts. How cute is that? The red obijime in this one doesn't quite work, does it? I think I'll stick with the previous one. And the final coordination for this unboxing video is this lovely homongi paired with the gold fukuro obi. The formal obijime is a nice touch, don't you think? I did not include any obiage in these coordinations, but I'll be sure to add them in the next styling video, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoy content about kimono, sewing, and simple living, please like and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you in the comments too. See you in the next video.